Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with the final review album that goes inside of this gorgeous heart box that we made for Valentine's Day. And it's the Kit Club, the entire digital Kit Club where you get Valentine's, Easter, and 2 bonus projects. All right, so we did a couple of photo mats here. All right, this is a 4x6, and here is a die cut. And this is what I added in the cover. All right, so it turned out really cute. I love it so very much. You can also add a few of the little hearts here on the side. All right, which will look adorable. Oh, I matted my heart because it just looks, it pops more so than it just sitting in there, okay? And in here, I'm not going to open it because I finally got a pretty bow, and I realized that I can get a nicer bow if I tied something to it. All right, and this is what I tied, and there's 4x6 photo mats in there, and also 4x4s. All right, look at how cute with the little tag on there. And if you put the tag on there, you don't have to worry about having a perfectly straight bow. All right, so all of this you should have been, you saw in my matting videos, and I can't help but not to just leave this alone. I just absolutely love this paper. It's one of my favorite papers in the collection. So I just want to leave it like that because I love it so very much. Worst case scenario, if I needed one more photo, I would put it here and then leave this one alone. A 4x6 here. But otherwise, that's just so gorgeous. 4x6 photo mats in here. All right, and look at this page. I did this with you all. And I added this little number right here, and I believe you all saw me do that in the video, and all this you saw me do in the video. But look at how cute. So I made a little pocket with my paper, just because this little guy is just adorable. So it's perfect to do it this way, guys. Do it this way, do it this way. That's how you handle this guy. And here I did 2 smaller photo mats. And obviously you all know you can slap a 4x6 on here, and you can put your sticker on top of the photo. You can do landscape or portrait. The way you do your portrait photos is either, flipping the orientation or just cropping it to a 4x4. All right, like this. This would be a portrait photo here if you wanted to, or landscape. You could just crop it on either side so it can fit in that space there. All right, but look at how cute this is. It's really, really cute. And over here, and I'm just going to flip like this. This paper, again, also beautiful. I couldn't help myself. My little baby girl decides to act up when I hit record. All right, so now let me show you how this thing open. Oh, right here. Here we go. So we did this together, guys. We did this all together. All right, all of this together we did, and it's so cute. Look at that. Just really beautiful. So you can close it like that, or the way I opened it, and I've showed you that a couple of times. All right, so it can be an accordion or it can be a flip. And then here's our pocket that just turned out so fabulous. So of course this is a pocket. Look at how cute. Just love the way this turned out. As always, just it's so much fun to make these projects. And here is this page. So lots of room for photos. And again, you can absolutely do your 4x6s. I just like to show you a variation. Okay. And once again, in love with this paper, so I left it alone. There's a pocket here for 4x6s. There's no reason to cover that up. And here's this page. Just love this pop-up page. And here's that. Tuck away some photo mats right in there. And look at our little honey bear. How cute. 4x6 photo here. This doesn't pop too much because there's a lot of white. But once you add a photo, it will absolutely come to life. All right. And then we've got our little accordion again. And these are for 4x6 photos. Tuck away spots. 4x6 photo. This stays as it is. And there you go, that. And let's open this baby. Alrighty. Oh, wrong way, my bad. Okay, and look at how fabulous this one turned out. So 4x6 over here. a smaller photo here, 3x3 if you want to, or just a sentiment, some kind of journaling. 4x4 here. You can tuck away 3x4s here. And here you're going to do two 3x3s or one 3x3 so you don't cover up these two cute little guys. So look at how cute. Here you do nothing. This just it stays like that. It's just really, really beautiful. All right. So you can close like this and up, right? Or like I did in the previous video, like this. Look at how beautiful that looks. And you do the little accordion thing going. All right. But I'm going to do this one in the original fold. Okay. And we showed you that. There's this beautiful matting here. This is the kind of matting I call when you don't know what to do with a piece of paper, where you're getting down to the last bits of paper and you're just not truly inspired. You want to do matting all over with the same paper. All right. And it really looks beautiful. All right. It's just truly, truly nice. Right here, you can put a photo on here if you want to break up the pattern. But I mean, otherwise, it's just fabulous. Here is the closure. So I just flipped these over. Instead of doing this, I did like this and put the closure on the opposite side. Here is your deconstructed envelope. Look at how fabulous that turned out. I love this paper. And 4x6 photo. And again, I'm not going to open. There's only 4x6 photo mats in this one. And by the way, these little stickers are terrible. You have to add glue on the back of all of them. I really dislike it when the adhesive is crap. But, you know, it is what it is. The stickers are super cute. Just add a little glue, guys, and we'll get over it, right? But they're super cute. So hopefully you love this album, guys, and your heart is absolutely gorgeous. Have fun making this and make sure you print out all your Valentine's Day photos. All right, so you can put them in here. Thank you so much. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.